Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of Giga Factories, where innovation meets scale. These colossal structures are reshaping industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing and technology. So let's explore the top three Gigafactories on Earth and see what makes them so extraordinary. First up, the Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada, USA. This behemoth covers an astounding 1.9 million square feet and is set to be the largest building in the world by footprint once fully completed. It's not just about size, though. It's about the groundbreaking work happening inside. This factory is designed to be a powerhouse of sustainability, aiming to run entirely on renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Think about that, producing batteries for electric cars while being eco-friendly. It's a win-win for the environment and the industry. Next, let's fly over to Shanghai, China, where we find Tesla's Gigafactory 3, a marvel of modern engineering. This one's a game changer for the electric vehicle market in Asia, significantly boosting production capacity. Built in record time, just 10 months, it's already pumping out thousands of Model 3S and Model Ys, meeting the high demand in the region. What's fascinating here is the efficiency and speed of production. This factory utilizes advanced automation and streamlined processes to achieve impressive production rates, setting new standards in the industry. It's a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, where technology and efficiency go hand in hand. Finally, we head to Grünheide, Germany, home to Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg, a beacon of innovation in Europe. This factory is Tesla's first in Europe, and it's designed with European sensibilities in mind, focusing on quality and sustainability. It focuses on high-quality production standards and blending seamlessly with its surrounding environment, showcasing a perfect harmony between industry and nature. The goal here is to produce batteries, drive units, and vehicles all in one place, reducing the carbon footprint even further and enhancing efficiency. Plus, it's creating thousands of jobs in the region, boosting the local economy and providing new opportunities. Each of these gigafactories is unique and reflects Tesla's innovative approach to manufacturing, constantly pushing the envelope. They're not just massive buildings, they're symbols of progress, sustainability, and futuristic technology, setting new benchmarks for the industry. So there you have it, a quick tour of the top three gigafactories on Earth, each playing a crucial role in transforming the automotive industry. These giants are not just transforming the automotive industry, but also setting new standards in energy efficiency and production, paving the way for a greener future. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fascinating content, and leave a comment below. We love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.